Well, Chileans have overwhelmingly rejected the proposed new constitution in a referendum vote over the weekend. While those against the new constitution celebrated the news, supporters called for a new constitutional process. Bartlett reports from Santiago.
After a year of negotiations and drafting, Chileans have comprehensively rejected a proposed new constitution drawn up to replace the 1980 charter imposed by General Augusto Pinochet 41 years ago. In a plebiscite on Sunday, in which voting was compulsory, 62% of Chileans opted to reject the proposal, compared to just 38% who voted in its favor.
It's fantastic because it was the people who decided, and the people said, no, this is not what we want.
It had promised a long list of rights, but ultimately failed to convince the population at large. In squares and on street corners across the country, campaigners against the new constitution gathered to celebrate the victory. In the capital, Santiago, the leaders of the Reject campaign called for a new constitutional process.
Yes,
the country is divided. It became even more divided with the Reject and Approve campaigns that were run.
But the result leaves the country deeply divided, and young leftist President Gabriel Boric is in an unenviable position. He gave a televised address on Sunday night in which he promised to push ahead with the process of replacing Chile's Pinochet-era constitution, and met with the leaders of major parties as well as the heads of both houses of Congress at La Moneda, the presidential palace, on Monday morning. But Chile's transformational wave has stalled, and it remains to be seen whether any kind of consensus can be reached with regard to a new political charter. Bartlett, CGTN, Santiago.